G'day guys, Matty here for Rum Que, and today we've got a nice easy cook. We're going to do a pineapple barbecue chicken in the pit barrel. It's nice and succulent, juicy. Let's crack into it. First up, we're going to place the charcoal into the pit barrel and light. The pit barrel delivers great flavour, it's nice and versatile, and it's great for pros and beginners alike. Okay, so we're going to trim the pineapple up, leave the core intact, and all the trimming is going to use for a salsa. Next, we're going to prepare the chicken. We're going to chuck the rub on and place it straight on the pineapple. We're using our Rum Que Hazy IPA seasoning today, bursting with passion fruit and citrus flavours. Okay, the pit barrel's come up to temperature, about 180 degrees. I'm going to throw this in and we're going to crack a beer. Right, it's time to make the salsa. We've got some chopped pineapple, some chopped cucumber, some diced red onion, squeeze a lime and some Thai seasoning paste. Okay, so we've got our beautiful chicken out of the pit barrel. It's come up to temp. Now what we need to do is glaze it with some Rum Que meat juice. So there you have it. Beautifully smoked barbecue pineapple chicken ready for the family to enjoy.